Question A says, which pair of numbers best completes the equation? Triangle times 10 equals rectangle. So they want a number that would fit in the triangle spot and a number that would fit in the rectangle spot. But the thing is, I can't just put whatever numbers I want, because in between them, it says times 10. So I need to make sure I put the right numbers in the right places. The first answer choice says 15 could go in the triangle and 105 could go in the rectangle. Well, we can try that out. 15 times 10. We do 15 times 10 and we get this as our answer, then we know that they work. If we get a different number as our answer, then we know that they don't work. We were practicing some of these earlier. The 10 has how many zeros that I can take away? Chase, how many zeros can I take away from the 10? Just one. And then I just have 15 times 1. Chase, what's 15 times 1? 15. Anything times 1 is going to stay the same. Now, I can't forget, I took that 0 away earlier, but I didn't take it away forever. Got to put it back. 15 times 10 equals 150. So, can I pick answer choice A? Would those numbers work? What do you think, Chase? Yes or no? If I put a 15 here and a 105 here, would that be okay? So 15 times 10 equals 105? No, we said it equals 150. So 150 is the number that should be in that rectangle. They have a 1, a 5, and a 0, but all the numbers are mixed up. So I can't pick answer choice A. Answer choice B says, well, maybe you can put 105 in the triangle and you can put 1,500 in the rectangle. Okay, let's try that one out. So if 105 is in the triangle, that means it would be 105 times 10. Do that. $105 times 10. How many zeros am I able to take away? Who can tell me in this one, how many zeros can I take away? Kaylee?
1.
Just one, because this other 0 is in the middle of the number. I can't just take it out of the middle. It can only be taken out at the end. So Kaylee, if I take out the 0, I have 105 times 1. What would that give me?
1,000. 50.
Okay, so 105 times 1 would give me 105, but when I put that 0 back, you're right, I'd get 1,050. Is that the number they want to put as my answer? So this is the same as this? No, those numbers don't match. So I can't put those either. See, the problem really isn't my triangle number. I can put whatever number I want times 10. The problem is that it says whatever it is times 10 is going to equal this number. So the big problem is my rectangle. If I put the wrong number in the rectangle, it's not correct. Try the next one. 150 in the triangle and 10,500 in the rectangle. Okay, let's try it out. So if 150 is in my triangle, it means it's 150 times 10. All right. How many zeros can I take away here? Alexa, how many zeros can I take away?
1 from 10 because you can't take away the 0 from 150 because it's in the middle.
Is the 0 in the middle?
Oh no, sorry.
It's at the end of my number. So I can actually take away 1 0 from 10 and 1 0 from 150. I'm left with 15 times 1. Alexa, what's 15 times 1?
15, because anything times 1, it's the number.
Very good. So 15. And I can't forget, I need to put 2 zeros back because I took 2 zeros away earlier. 1, 2. 1,500. Alexa, does that match the number in my rectangle for answer choice C?
No.
No. Okay, well, answer choice D better have the right answer, because if not, we have problems. Answer choice D says we can put 15 in the triangle, and the rectangle would be 150. 15 times 10. How many zeros can I take away here? Noah, how many zeros can I take away here?
1.
Okay, 1 0. Then I have 15 times 1. Noah, what's 15 times 1?
15.
15. Okay, I'm going to put that 0 back. 150. Noah, does that match the number in my rectangle? All right. So we found one that actually works now. So the answer for problem A is answer choice D. Let's take a look at not answer choice, but question B. Question B looks really similar. What they did that's different, still says which pair of numbers best completes the equation. We're still multiplying with 10, but what they did that's different is instead of using a triangle and a rectangle, they used a circle and a square. That does not change anything. Still solve it the exact same way. Figure out which numbers would actually work and which numbers would not. We're still multiplying times 10. So the only difference this time is that we're going to multiply whatever number's in the circle times 10 and see if we get the number in the square. Let's try. 210 times 10. How many zeros can I take away here? How many zeros would I be able to take away? Alexa, how many zeros?
2.
2. 1 from 10 and 1 from 210. Okay? That leaves me with 21 times 1. Alexa, what's 21 times 1?
21.
1. And I've got to put back 1, 2 zeros. Alexa, does that match the number in the square?
No.
No. Right? Next answer choice, answer choice G. 201 is the number in the circle. So we're going to do 201 times 10. How many zeros can I take away from this? Violet, how many zeros can I take away here?
Two zeros.
For this one, I can only take away 1 zero.
Oh, yeah.
Because this zero, if there's ever a zero in the middle of a number, I can't do anything to it. I can only take away zeros at the end. Okay. Well, I took away the 1 0. Violet, now I have 201 times 1. What's 201 times 1? What do you think it would be, Violet? 201 times 1. Okay. Not bad. Remember, there's a trick to multiplying times 1, Violet. Any time that you multiply a number with the number 1, that number does not change. It stays exactly the same. So if the number was 201, the number is going to stay 201. And since I took away 1 0, I need to put 1 0 at the back. 2010. Now, Violet, does this number match the number they have in the square? H. H is trying that same number, 201. Well, the good thing is, we just figured that out. 201 times 10. Took away 1 0. Got 2010. What about now, Violet? Does this match number in the square now? So this number and this number aren't the same? Yeah. This time they are. 2010, 2010. So this one's okay. The number matches. The good thing they used the same number. That way we didn't have to do any extra math. Let's check the last one, just to be sure. 210 is the number in the circle. So they want 210 times 10. For 210 times 10, we did that one too. 210 times 10 gave us 2,100. Alexa, you helped us out with that one. Does this match the number they have in the square?
No.
There's only one answer choice, where the answer we get matches the answer square, and that's answer choice.